Hey guys, Robbie at RC Detail here. This truck is something really special. We have a brand new 2024 GMC AT4X. This is one of the first ones ever to arrive in Alaska. A lot of you know what an AT4 is. The AT4X is like the big brother to that. This is the first year that GMC has released this. A ton of off-road options. You've got these rock sliders built in, feedlock wheels. It has a 6.2 liter big V8 in it. This is a half-ton truck making 420 horsepower out of the box. This customer trusted us to protect their rig. It came straight from the dealership to here. Unfortunately, brand new vehicles do come with swirls. I don't care what the manufacturer is, it is going to happen. We worked with CCA Wasilla to get the paint protection film done on the front end. This truck received a full front end package, hood, fenders, mirror caps, and this customer even opted to have the rocker panel done. So from here to here actually has PPF done all the way down the end of the truck. We just got it back from them, so we are going to send it back through the wash bay here, recheck all the paint, make sure we are crystal clear before we put our ceramic coating on it. This truck will get our Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating on the paint, trim pieces, door jambs, and the wheels, and then our 3-year glass parency treatment as well. Appreciate you guys.